Okay, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube using only 4 algorithms. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to look at your cube, and this should be a pretty easy step. All you want to do is solve the cross. So, it's not too hard, so you shouldn't need too much help to solve the cross. So once you solve the cross, what you want to do is you want to take and you want to find where the corner pieces are. So see, here's a white, blue, and orange right here. There is blue and orange here, which means that you need to put it down in here. So that's really easy. Just put it down in there. Put this one down in here. This is orange and green. Then here's red and white. Goes right there. And then the last one is right here, and that's red, blue, and white. Okay, so you don't have to have them all facing the right direction. In fact, it's easier if they're not. Then what you want to do is you want to find edge pieces up here. So right here I have a green and orange. See? Green and orange. And I see it's orange over here, which means the green and orange needs to go over here. Which it needs to be paired with this edge piece, so when you put it in, that it's with this edge piece. So the easiest way to do this is you just go like this. You just keep rotating like this until eventually, when you turn it up, it lines up here. And then when it lines up, what you want to do is you want to move it to the side like this. Move this piece back down so you don't break it. Move it over twice. Move it up, in, and down. And then you have this edge pair right here. Now this is really easy. And then when you get to the other side, here's red and green. You just do it the opposite. You just go like this. Keep going until it lines up. And then move it to the side. Move it up, move it in. Okay. So that's the easiest way to solve the edge pieces. And then all you have to do is you just go, and occasionally what happens is you put it in like this, and when you put it up, it's already lined up here. So you just move it to the side, move it, and put it in. And then do the last one. It's just, you just use the rotating pattern until eventually when you turn it up, it lines up like this. Okay. Then you should have the first 2 layers of this Rubik's Cube solved. The next thing, this is an algorithm that you've got to learn if you want to solve a Rubik's Cube with the beginner's method. You look for this L, and you want to have it in the left back corner. And then you want to do this algorithm. You want to go like this, like this, like this, over, down, and up. And once you've done that, you should end up with having all of these middle edge pieces that are yellow facing up. Now, if you have a line like this, 3 in a row, you want to do that algorithm like this until you get an L like this, and then you want to hold it in your back left corner and do this algorithm. Until you have it completely done. Now this next algorithm I'm going to show you is for cycling through. So what you'll do for this algorithm is you want to look for one of these yellow edge pieces right here to be facing out, and it's going to be facing to your right when it's in now. So what you want to look for is having it in this front corner. You want to look for it facing to the right. And it goes down, over, up, over, down, twice, and then back up. Okay. So now you've gotten it to this position. So what you want to do is you want to keep using this algorithm. So now I'm going to actually, because I know in this state, if it's like this, right here, I'll get to an easier state. So I'll do it again. Until you get to something like this. You say, okay, it's got 2 over there and 2 over here, so you do it again. And then you want to look for this state. Keep doing it until you get to this state where it has it on this side. And then from here, this algorithm, when you do it, it'll switch the 3 up. So you'll have a complete yellow face. Okay, so right now, what you want to do is you want to try to line up corners. So right here, I already have 2 corners that are lined up, so I just want to take that and line them up with the blue, turn it over. Okay, so now these 2 corners right here need to be switched, because that'll make this green be on this side over here, and then the green over here goes over here. And the corners are lined up, so the algorithm to do that is this. That's the algorithm. Now, in this case, it solved it all the way, but it's not always going to do that. So, when you do it, you see, I got 2 case again, and then this time it's on this side. If I do it, do the algorithm, see, it didn't solve it. Now, right here, what we have is they have the middles are moved. So what you need to do now is to move this middle that way. I have an algorithm. It'll move this one to here, this one to here, and this one to here. Okay, so the way that one goes is like this. 1, 2, over. Okay, so that rotated 3, and see, it's all on one side. Now, I had 4 centers that were messed up. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to cycle through and do it twice, if that's the case. Now, see, I have 3 more. I have blue, green, and orange. Now, green needs to go that way too, so I do the algorithm again. Okay, and that is how to officially solve a Rubik's Cube.